Another question of the SCB and HOTS series. 1 coulomb is placed at the top of your apartment and another charge 1 coulomb at the top of your college. Take separation 2 km, find the force exerted by the charges on each other. How many times of your weight is this force? So the question is very clear here. The apartment and here the college is there. So the distance is of 2 kilometer and here 1 coulomb charge, here 1 coulomb charge placed. So what will be the, and let the man is having the mass of 40 kg. That means weight will be 400 kg weight or Newton. I have converted, taken the G as the 10. Now the force 9 into 10 to the power 9 means K, 1 coulomb into 1 coulomb by 2 kilometer means 2 into 10 to the power 3 the square. So how much will be this particular force? If you are going to calculate, you will find it is around 2.25 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. That much is the force, and we have to find out the comparison of this force and the weight. So weight of the body to this force will be how much is that particular part, weight is your 400 Newton by 2.25 into 10 to the power 3 Newton. That is, if you are going to calculate, it comes out to be around 1 by 5.6. 1 by 5.6. That means weight, that means the force, that electrostatic force between these two charges is equal to 5.6 times weight of the person or the man. Another question, estimate the distance, estimate the number of electrons in 100 gram of water. How much is the total negative charge on these electrons? मतलब 100 ग्राम वाटर है, इसमें कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है, पहले तो कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है ये हमको निकालना है. दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. तो कैसे निकालेंगे? नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन 18 ग्राम. हाउ इट कम्स? 18 ग्राम ऑफ वाटर कितना होता है? नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन 18 ग्राम कहाँ से है? H2O. H1 into 1 plus that 16, that is 18, that you know 18 ग्राम. अब इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन कितना है? H2O में, हाइड्रोजन में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और ऑक्सीजन में 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. 2 at 6 होता है 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन 18 ग्राम H2O ये हमको निकालना पड़ेगा. दैट विल बी द 6.023 इंटू 10 to the power 23 एवोगैड्रोस नंबर इंटू कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन है, कितना इंटू 10, दैट इज़ योर 6.023 इंटू 10 to the power 24. राइट, इतना इलेक्ट्रॉन है किसमें? दैट इज़ योर नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन 18 ग्राम ऑफ H2O. 18 ग्राम H2O में इतना इलेक्ट्रॉन है. तब 100 ग्राम H2O में कितना इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा? 100 ग्राम में। तो हम क्या करेंगे, 100 ग्राम के लिए नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स कितना आएगा, तो 18 में इतना, 18 ग्राम में इतना, 100 ग्राम में कितना, तो यही है 6.023 इंटू 10⁻24 इंटू 100/18 into 100/18. So if you are going to calculate, you will get 0.334 into 10 to the power 26. That is your 3.34 into 10 to the power 25. इतना इलेक्ट्रॉन है 100 ग्राम वाटर में, इतना इलेक्ट्रॉन है। तो टोटल चार्ज क्या हो जाएगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन जितना चार्ज, ये नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है, तो 3.34 इंटू 10 टू द पावर 25 इंटू 1.6 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -19, इतना कूलम चार्ज हो जाएगा। इसको सॉल्व कर लो एंड यू विल गेट इट, एंड आफ्टर सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट द 5.34 into 10 to the power 6 coulomb. That should be your answer. Other question, two charges 2 into 10 to the power -6 coulomb and 1 into 10 to the power -6 coulomb are placed at the separation of 10 centimeter. Where should the third charge be placed such that it experiences no net force? Here this is a positive, this also positive charges. So definitely we have to use here the Q1 positive charge is there, here the Q2 positive charge. So definitely we have to place the third charge in between these two, say Q. Then what happens, the repulsion from here and repulsion from here. So definitely this particular third charge we have to place in between this, right? And here it is given this total is your 10 centimeter means 0.1 meter. So let this particular distance is your x, so this distance become 0.1 minus x. 0.1 how, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter is equal to 0.1 meter. So like that. Now experiences no net force. So this Q1 exerts the force on Q, Q2 also exerts the force on Q. So the net force will be 0. So we have to write in this particular manner that these two forces so I have to find out the distance from this x distance. So the force F1 should be equal to F2. F1 means this exerting force, this exerting force, this. So it is your 9 into 10 to the power 9 into Q1. Q1 is your 2 into 10 to the power -6 into Q by x square is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into your next charge is 1 into 10 to the power -6 into Q by here it is 0.1 minus x whole square. That should be there, right? Now if we are going to equate, what we will get, x square is equal to, here it remains a 2 only, x square is equal to 2 into 0.1 minus x whole square. Just to calculate, जो कटता है सो काट देंगे, and ultimately 2 केवल इधर बचेगा, 2 into this is equal to x square. So therefore you can write the x, find out the value of x, that is, if you are open this particular bracket, that is your a square minus b square, में इसको ब्रेक करेंगे तो ultimately x will be your 5.9 centimeter. 5.9 centimeter, or you can say in meter, you will get in fact this much by 100 means your 0.059 meter. इतना आएगा because I have converted in meter. So ultimately 0.059 meter. That will be the, and from the larger charge we have to place this. Larger is your 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. So from this particular distance x we have find out. This is your answer.